Okay. Yeah.
Get lucky and just find one good thing after you completely fail your head. So that's also
I knew it, but
good. You never? Hey, like it's. I spent like I don't know 10,000 hours of my life. No, way less. But
you're really bored in your life.
like, yeah, I mean, when I was younger, I used to play video games. When I was bored, like, you want to
Okay.
you can do like 100 attempts in 1 hour. So it's only one attempt.
Yeah.
And I think I'm actually addicted to it.
And do you do multi-line?
No, I used to, but now I don't. Because I never really liked doing that. I was like decent. I was able to do like.
Okay.
Here we have to have judges because we don't have a
Eight.
to understand people.
Like 2 years ago in Denmark for the Euros, we were surprised that we kept to have judges. For example, I couldn't focus on my attempt because the routine had people.
Okay. Very unfortunate. Yeah.